Okay, and now we're going to do 28 question set. In that question set, first one is what is the highest mark obtained in singular literature in all term examination of all the student of class 11B? They ask find highest mark from singular literature for term examination, all term examination, and all student. Therefore, we need subject table and class table. To find that, first right select and for highest mark we put max our mark. Then we say from our student mark record table, then we have to inner join our student table on student mark record student index and student table index number, student index number. Then another table we have to join our class table on student class ID and class table class ID. Then our condition where we also need our term table in a join our term table on student mark record term ID and term exam term table term ID. Then where our exam term name equal to our in our question for all terms, then we don't need our term table, and this one also we don't need. Class table and subject table. We have to add subject table, therefore join to find our subject table on student mark record subject ID and subject table subject ID and conditions are for subject name. Subject name we have our subject singular literature and our class name. They said 11B. When we cross and let's execute, we have our uh, maximum mark which term all terms and subject singular and uh, all student in class 11B. That's how it done. And second one, what is the highest marked and subject of Sachitra Wickramasinghe first term subject in all subject? They are asking about highest mark who got Sachitra Wickramasinghe and subject, all subject, and first term. It's update this query. Maximum mark student we have, we don't need any class, and subject also not needed. We can remove this one, and we have to add our term table on student mark record table, term ID, and term table term ID, where table term name equal to first term as our question. We are asking which term that subject to promising it could highest mark. Then we have our student table, first name, and student table, last name. Get our name, Sachitra Wickramasinghe. Sachitra's first name, Wickramasinghe. That we can get highest mark that the student got in all term, not first term for all subject. Let's see, 85.5 is the mark that the student got in all subject in the first term. And they asking about a subject, then we have to edit that one, and subject name. For find the subject name, we need to join our subject table on student mark record table, subject ID, and subject table, subject ID. Let's see what is the subject. There is a error. They are asking about group by our mark, max mark. We remove this one and move on to this. Again, we need subject. Then we got every marks, and let's find which is the highest mark. Order by mark. Then we ordered this one and ordered by mark descending. Then our maximum mark and limit one. Then we got our highest mark. We got 80.55 for subject single language. That's how we done that second question. And third one, find the name and mark of the student who scored between 70 and 90 marks in the mathematics subject in the first term examination. They are asking about name and mark. We need our term table and subject table. Let's see how we can get that one. We remove this and asking marks and name. We need to enter name. Student table, we take student table name, first name, mark, and we need student table and subject table, student who score. We don't need this one, subject, and we need term, first term, we need also that subject table. Term name is first term and mathematics subject. We know this one. Subject we say as mathematics subject, and we here that mathematics subject, and we don't need that one, and term equal to first term. I'm copying from here and paste here, and let's execute. We have that marks, our marks who good, and there is another condition, mark we have to attend mark between 80 and 19, 70 and 90. Let's remove and date. Then we have that name and marks who got that between mark 70 and 90 in mathematics subject for first term. That's how we done. And fourth one, find the subject and mark subject and mark. With the highest mark obtained mathematics subject and science subject in Amanda Moses' first term examination. We don't need that highest mark one. For that, find the subject and mark obtained mathematics subject and science subject in Amanda Moses' first term examination. They asking about Amanda Moses' marks which her scored in mathematics and science subject in the first term. Let's see how we did this. We need mark. They are asking about subject and mark. Subject name, and student. There we have to edit in mathematics and science subject. Copy science. We don't need that between condition. The first term subject. Let's see. So we got all marks. We need that marks, max mark, let's say. Max. Gate, therefore we need that. Group by subject name. Subject name. Next, we got maximum mark each. A maximum mark in mathematics and science subject in the first term. We have to specify that student name. Therefore, we add another condition and student table and first name equal to Amanda, and second last name we have to say, therefore we add last name, we bracket that one. Let get our student name, Amanda, first name, second last name, Moses. Then we execute, then we get that score, score about mathematics and science subject in first term, 19 and 75, maximum mark in first term. Then fifth question, Madara Panasegara find the highest mark in mathematics and science and Sinhala language and literature in second term. Find the highest mark in. We find with maximum mark about that 3 subject in second term. we have maximum mark, then subject name, we don't need that one. First term, we have to change this as a second term. Then we also change our name, Nadala, last, say correct. We have to add the subject, last one, single language and teacher. Let's execute that, and we got maximum mark 85, which that student got second term about these three subject. That's how we done that one, and that's how we done our question set 28, and thank you.